Hello and welcome to my channel Yalla Fun TV. How are you friends? I hope you all are fine. We are here with another very special video for you guys. Our all toys in mud and we are going to clean them. But what we have? We have a lots of things. We have guns. We have Avengers series superhero, we have military gadgets, we have sniper rifle, we have Spiderman, we have sports bike and we have military tank. And we have a lots of fun things for you guys. So let's collect all the things. Here I am collecting the Spiderman. Here is the military tank. This one is cell phone and this one is binocular. All things stuck in mud and these are now animals. These are Avengers series Hulk, this is special heavy bike and that is alligator. Oh no! And that's a military ship and this one is seal. That's a gun and we are collecting all the things from our display. All things stuck in mud and we will soon going to washing area and we will clean them. So this video will be fun, so please watch till end. Here we go. So we are here in the washing area and water is set, all the things are good. So let's start washing. Yalla guys. Let's wash our gun first. Let's wash him. Let's wash. And here we go. We have 30mm pocket pistol. Bang, bang. Here we go. Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is military knife. Oh, no. Let's wash him. Let's yalla guys. Here we go. Our military knife is clean. Just look at the shape of this dangerous weapon. Wow. That is cool. Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have again a mini pocket gun. Let's wash him. Let's yalla guys. Here we go. Our 30mm small pistol is clean. Bang bang. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have is a farmer tractor. Let's wash him. Let's wash guys. Yalla. Here we go. Just look at the shape and design of this beautiful tractor. Look like a real one. And the next one we have a sniper gun. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Yalla guys. Here we go. We have a sniper gun. Wow. Just look at the shape and design of this beautiful sniper gun. That is awesome. Bang bang.
For this gun.
Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have again a gun. Let's wash him. Look like we have a lots of gun today. Yes, we do have. Let's yalla guys. Here we go. This one is a 10mm pocket revolver. Wow, the cowboy style. Bang bang. Here we go.
Healthy, right? Wrong.
And the next one we have is a military tank. Let's wash him. Let's wash guys. Here we go. We have a military tank. Awesome guys. That's the super awesome military tank.
They got a tank.
And the next one we have is a sea animal. Let's wash him. Let's yalla guys. Here we go. We have a seal. That's a beautiful sea animal. Enjoy the video, guys. Meanwhile, let's check out the next one. And the next one we have is a sheep. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Yalla, guys. Here we go. Our military sheep is clean. Wow. Just look at this beautiful color design at sheep.
Stealthy catamaran that has been manufactured in Indonesia by the North Sea Boats Company.
And the next one we have is a satellite phone. Let's wash him. Let's yalla, guys. Here we go. The satellite phone is clean.
So standard stuff, 16 channels, can be programmed onto here.
Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is alligator, the deadliest wild beast. Let's wash him. Let's yalla, guys. Here we go. Our alligator is clean. Wow, look at his big open mouth. He's hungry. And the next one we have is mask. Let's wash him. Let's yalla, guys.
Oh no!
Here we go. That's a Spiderman mask. Wow, your friendly neighborhood Spiderman from Avengers series Endgame. The next one we have is binocular. Let's wash him. Let's yalla, guys.
Oh no!
Here we go. Our binocular is clean. Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is sports heavy bike. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Here we go. Our sports heavy bike is clean. Wow, look at the shape, design and beautiful color of this beauty beast. Sports bike. And the next one we have is dog. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Yalla, guys. Dog, the beautiful pet animal with the ball in his mouth. Wow, that is awesome. Let's check out the next one. The next one we have is Hulk. Hulk is green from Avengers series. Let's yalla, guys.
Oh no!
Here we go. We have a Hulk. Wow, guys. Hulk from Avengers series. So this is it from today. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the show. Have a great day, friends. Take care. Bye-bye.